Hi guys, Josh here with another video today, and I'm going to be looking at the TCH 840 handcuffs. So these are speed cuffs, which I will show you in a minute. So to engage the speed cuff, you have to do that sort of flapping, then get 3 or 4 fingers, pull back, so they're engaged. For extra speed cuff ability. So you want to watch. That's how quick the speed cuffs are, and the bracelet has gone all the way in. So people with wrists like me, who are quite skinny, I think police officers sometimes carry the bit that takes up space, so they know obviously if the person's got thin wrists and can come out of them, then they can have a reducer fixed to this, so people can't like get out. So guys, these are the TCH 840 rigid handcuffs. They are speed cuffs, so there's 4 different ways. So there's front stack, normal, and then there's get it done, rear stack, and rear normal. So they're the 4 ways. There's also a way to discreetly get them out. So you'd get them out of the pouch, put them behind your leg, go up to the person, grab hold of the hand, and go like that. The only difference between them being engaged, I'll get one end engaged and one end not. So that end's engaged, that end is not, so you're going to get more ability of speed cuff on here. So watch how it is. It's alright, but it's not gone all the way in. On the speed cuff engaged, that's not gone all the way in, however it was quick. So I'll show you that again. So there's speed cuff engaged, not engaged. Boom. This is the not engaged kit bit. Not even gone. So these are used by UK police. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like, share and subscribe. Please share. I want more subscribers, guys. Thanks for watching this video. I did have an arresting video, but I'd run out of time on the player, so see you in a bit.